Welcome to Manju's Diary. This is Neha here. And since Pongal is coming, I thought we could do a Pongal pot painting. So here are some of my designs I did. So your required materials are metallic acrylic paint. You can use any type of paint. I'm using metallic paint because it's shiny. Paint brushes, cotton swabs, and decorating items. You can use any decorating items you have available at home. And our friend Sparkles is so excited to get started with the painting. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. Now let this dry for about 1 hour. Now I'm going to paint the pot with blue color paint. Now our pot is completely dry, so let's start decorating. First, I'm going to take a cotton swab and 2 color paints, yellow and pink. I'm dipping the cotton swab in and painting a dot like this. So I'm dipping it into the pink color paint and then adding dots like a flower. And the same thing you have to repeat. Now time for the decorating part. I'm going to take this and decorate the pot. So first I'm going to be measuring it. And cutting the amount I want. I'm going to be putting this in the neck and just press it lightly so that it'll stick. So I cut out some small pieces of glittery string.